Welcome to Canvas X Draw. This overview video walks you through our welcome file that comes with Canvas. You can follow along and edit this interactive file. Canvas lets you work with any type of graphic in one application. There's no need to switch between different apps based on the file type. In one place, you can create amazing graphics and visualizations with both images and vector objects. Notice this image on the left is a rasterized image, meaning it's made of pixels. On the right is a vector object with sharp edges and adjustable points. The Canvas interface puts tools at your fingertips with settings and functionality to suit your workflow. First, this is the layout area. This is where you create your fantastic graphics and illustration. We refer to all elements in your document as objects. Our toolbox contains all of the Canvas tools. The menu bar along the top contains all Canvas functions. The toolbar contains all common actions like copy, paste, print, and turning on the Canvas Assistant. The Properties bar updates based on the tool that you have selected. Notice the Canvas Assistant updates as well based on what you've selected to help you along based on what you're doing. Along the bottom is the Status bar, showing details about the object you have selected and the pages in your document. We call all of the small windows in Canvas palettes. They're available in Window Palettes. On the right is the docking pane where you can keep frequently used palettes for quick retrieval. Notice you can tear off any palette you want to keep in view by dragging it away from the docking pane. Also, you can put away any palette to bring it back easily. There are 3 states for selected objects in Canvas. Right now, nothing is selected. If I click on this circle, notice it becomes selected. And when it's selected, you can change its properties in the Properties bar. Click somewhere else or press Escape to deselect. If I double click on an object, I'm editing that object. You can tell from the pen in the top left. In edit mode, I can modify this object. Double click somewhere else or press Escape to go back to the selected state. And again to deselect completely. Ordering objects in view is done by selecting your object and clicking Shuffle Up or Shuffle Down. Watch how this works in the Document Layout palette. Alignment lets you align your objects as you like. First, I'll click each of these objects while holding Shift. Alternatively, I can draw a selection rectangle around these 3 objects. Using alignment tools, I can align center vertically, I'll undo that, and I can align center horizontally. Notice, this object I selected first has black indicators on its selection. That means that all the alignment commands are with respect to that object. Text in Canvas is very simple. First, select the Text tool, set some properties, and draw a rectangle for your text, and just start typing. You can always select your object and adjust the styling and attributes for your text in the Properties bar. Spell checking is built in. Just Control-click on the underlined words and choose the correct spelling. Copying and pasting attributes lets you select and copy the styling you want and choose Edit Paste Attributes to paste that style. I'll copy over the text style and dynamic effect, which is a drop shadow. This concept can be applied for any object with copying and pasting attributes. This picture on the right has another picture below it. I'll select this top image, change the opacity, and add an adjustment with a higher contrast. Please try this yourself. On the bottom, let's try adjusting the levels of this photo to match the one on the right. We'll select it and choose Image, Adjust, Levels. This photo doesn't have any true blacks or pure whites, so let's change the starting black point by dragging it to the right, and we'll set the white point by dragging it to the left. Add images to your documents by simply dragging and dropping them into Canvas, or choose File Import Images to navigate to your files. Thanks for letting me show you Canvas X Draw, and if you need any more information, please see our website.